The IPL retention rules are out and the excitement among fans is at an all-time high. This year, at the mega auction, each franchise is allowed to retain a maximum of 6 players via retentions or right to match card. Each franchise will have 5 retention options and 1 RTM card option in the auction. A franchise can additionally retain a maximum of 5 capped players, Indian and overseas, and 2 uncapped players. With these changes, there's a lot of buzz and excitement around the upcoming IPL auction and retentions. With the retention deadline set for October 31st, the think tank of every IPL franchise is working around the clock to make the best decision possible. As is always the case with IPL auctions, once again the Punjab Kings are expected to be the busiest franchise at the auction table. But before the auction, Ricky Ponting, the new head coach of the Kings franchise, needs to figure out which players they want to retain for the auction, or do the classic Punjab Kings move and enter into the auction with a clean slate and a kitty of 120 crores. The Kings back in 2022 mega auction put together a decent core of players, roping in the likes of Liam Livingstone, Kagiso Rabada, Shikhar Dhawan, among others. Despite a good team, Punjab failed to make the playoffs in the 3-year cycle. The questions over Punjab Kings loom large. So who are the players Punjab Kings are likely to retain? Given the infamous history of Punjab, the answer to these questions is never easy. But given his history, bond and significance in the franchise, star Indian pacer Arshdeep Singh. Arshdeep Singh started his IPL career with Punjab and the franchise groomed him as he rose from the ranks to become a T20 World Cup winner with India. His form in IPL 2024 was disappointing, but given his quality, Kings could very well make them their first retention at 18 crores. But Punjab management need to weigh up whether Arshdeep is worth 18 crores or they could get him on cheap via right to match. Liam Livingstone is also a name Punjab Kings could retain. The destructive English batter lit up the IPL for Punjab in 2022, but his last 2 seasons have been ravaged with injuries. However, Livingstone is once again wreaking havoc on bowlers for England and is having his best white ball season for the Three Lions. If Livingstone goes into the auction, he will certainly be a sought after prospect. Hence, Punjab could be tempted retaining his service for INR 14 crores or even 18 crores. Pair of Shashank and Ashutosh was a revelation for Punjab in the lower middle order last IPL. Given both the players are uncapped, Punjab could retain them for a combined total of 8 crores. However, both Shashank and Ashutosh could test their fortunes and opt to enter the IPL auction. Given the history of Punjab, they could very well turn up to the auction with a blank slate, 120 crores in the kitty and 6 RTM cards. But first and foremost, Ponting needs to answer a big question. Who will be their captain? With Dhawan's retirement and the price tag of their stand-in skipper Sam Curran, Punjab will once again enter the auction searching for a captain. One possibility could be that Punjab try and buy back Sam Curran for cheap via right to match. They could also look for someone like Mitchell Marsh, given that he's Australia's T20 captain and his relation with Ricky Ponting. However, the biggest rumour is that should Rohit Sharma decided to move on from Mumbai Indians, Punjab Kings would go all out in order to get the hitman under their books and start a new era under his captaincy. Faf du Plessis is also an outside captaincy pick for Punjab Kings. Faf was the skipper of RCB but is unlikely to be retained by the franchise. With Faf leading Punjab Kings' sister franchise St. Lucia Kings to the CPL 2024 crown, he would certainly be among the discussions at Punjab's headquarters. There are plenty of questions surrounding Punjab Kings ahead of retentions, and Ricky Ponting certainly has a big task at his disposal, transitioning one of IPL's most underperforming franchises to playoff contenders.